Hi everybody, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. It looked pretty amazing. Let's try to create that. At first we need to insert a slide. In the slide we need to have these three shapes. So maybe some of you ask how we create them. Creating them is the most hard part of our presentation. We just simply need a circle. And after that, don't forget you need a triangle to the full size of your slide. Then select all of them and make them fragment. Then delete this. And you need another rectangle. Reduce it in size a little. And align it center and middle. Then increase it in size. Press Ctrl A. Go to shape format and just simply make them fragment. Your slide is ready. Now we need to recolor it. Let me just copy this slide. We are going to recolor it. So for the recoloration, I'm going to go with a new color. For this thing, I'm going to go with this blue. And for this, I'm going to go with darker blue. And this blue also. Then you copy that. Increase the size of this. And copy the text, paste it here, copy this slide 2 other times, delete the text, increase it, copy the text in the further slide, paste it here. Creating this text from the sketch is not a hard thing. Because of that, I'm not going to spend your time on that. After that, it's okay to change the background. How to change that? You are going to use eyedrop, this background, and then reduce the transparency. And then going to apply it to all. No, not at all. We are going to apply it to this thing also. The blue color with a lower transparency, and this slide is going to be also this blue color with a lower transparency. Now set the transition to morph and your slide are ready. Let's take a look. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. I will answer you and help you. Have a nice time.